Experience RealNex-VR's latest innovative solution, seamlessly integrating VR tours, renderings, and videos into your marketing toolkit for commercial real estate. Elevate your brand, boost efficiency, and unlock unparalleled success. For this project, the client provided only a conceptual site plan and its location. Utilizing Google Street View and reference photos, we established an architectural standard for each building type. This enabled us to replace the 2D building outlines on the site plan with realistic buildings in the 3D scene without any architectural or civil drawings. We completed the 3D scene and delivered this compelling interactive and immersive user experience in just 2 weeks. This allowed our client to successfully showcase the vision of his design to numerous stakeholders. But let's hear what he has to say.
Hi, my name is Todd Akers, and I am the buyer broker and the leasing broker for the Wakefield mixed-use development located near Charlotte, North Carolina. What the RealNex team did helped the builders and even the local municipality get a vision of what was ultimately approved. The county economic department is going to use what RealNex created as a tool for drawing in additional industry leaders to showcase one of the largest master plan developments in this area. For me, I think what stood out the most is the fact that RealNex was able to give a visual representation of what was just imagined.
In addition, this integrated marketing experience can double as a property-specific website, saving time and money on design, logistics, and maintenance. To learn how RealNex-VR can help you envision the future of your property, please contact us at info@PIX-Virtual.com or call us at 281-299-3159.